Imagine waking up one day to find your empire your life's work, your family's legacy gone. Not in a war, not in a disaster, but in a quiet, predictable collapse. Spain watched it happen. Britain endured it. The USSR shattered from it. I've spent decades poring over dusty ledgers and forgotten diaries, tracing the ghosts of great powers. It always starts the same. Stage 1, the rise. Raw ambition, innovation, conquest. Spain floods Europe with New World gold in the 1500s. Britain builds the world's factory. America invents the future post-World War II. Then stage 2, the peak. Money flows like rivers. Spain's Habsburg kings dine on silver platters. Britain's pound rules the seas. Your grandparents remember corner stores buzzing, homes owned outright, dreams within reach. But here's the whisper of doom. Excess breeds arrogance. Stage 3, overextension. Empires stretch too far. Spain fights endless wars, printing money to pay for it. Hello, hyperinflation. Britain borrows to hold colonies. USSR invades Afghanistan while its farms starve. Stage 4, denial. Leaders lie. It's fine, they say. Spain's Philip II ignores the bankruptcies piling up. Britain's Churchill pretends the empire's eternal. Soviet bosses toast perestroika as shelves empty. I felt this chill reading Reagan-era reports. Debt exploding, factories hollowing out. Sound familiar? Harp now. Stage 5, corruption and polarization. This is where America sits today. Elites hoard while the middle class fractures. Trillions in debt, more than GDP. Trust? Shattered. Just like Spain's corrupt inquisitors, Britain's aristocratic rot. USSR's nomenclatura feasting amid famine. Walk through your Rust Belt towns. Feel the anger boiling. I've wept over these patterns because they're human, greed, fear, division. We're not immune. History isn't polite. It warns. Stage 6, collapse. Money worthless. Institutions crumble. Spain fragments into chaos by 1700. Britain cedes empire post-World War II. USSR dissolves in 91. Stage 7, dark ages. Generations rebuild from ashes. But here's the life lesson etched in blood. Awareness is your weapon. Spot stage 5. Diversify. Build skills. Unite beyond tribes. America, you've reinvented yourself before, from revolution to moon landing. Will you again? The clock's ticking. If this hit home, smash like, subscribe for more untold money histories. Comment. Which stage scares you most? Share to wake someone up. History's watching.